Everything is hard to pop when 37 degree out. Well, he doesn't want to come out, so I'm just gonna let it hang. It's not gonna hurt anything. Now we can able to see this guy. I have to undo this so I can gain access there. I got 10 millimeter here. Okay, so we can cycle the key and accessories, then we can press this guy and then release the whole thing. Okay, I'm on accessory, press this guy. There you go. Nope, it's not on accessories. Is it? Yeah, it's on accessory. Alright. Now we can unplug this guy. Oh boy. Come on, buddy. Alright, try this one. Okay. It is out. It is out. Alright, so this is the part number right here. So this guy is gonna go this way. Alright. The main thing here is gonna protect this one. Okay, so it's gonna go this way. Cool. But before that, we're gonna mix some stuff. Oh yeah. Try not to be messy here. Gonna add more. All right. Now we're gonna put this guy to the accessory so we can press this in. There we go. Now we can put it back. We're gonna put it back this way. There we go. Then plug this back. Then we're gonna add more of this JB weld around. Oops, don't make a mess. although it's messy around here. I'm very bad at this. There we go. And, oops, don't make a mess. Put this one this way. There we go. Now that thing is pretty secured. Okay. Open this up. Oops. Don't lose that. That's a ring right there. Not sure if we're gonna need that. And I need some towel. Alright, so I got towel here. I'm gonna clean this because I'm gonna need you. Okay. To hold this guy. And I believe this guy gonna go this way. Right? Yep. Then add more JB Weld. Cool. And it's gonna go this way. And put the first one in, then the second one. Alright, now we're gonna break those things. Oh, come on, dude. Come on. Oh my goodness. I hate it when it happens. Just gonna go ahead and use these pliers to tighten them until they break. There you go. There we go. Now we're golden. I don't think we're gonna need this. Oh, I need to go grab all this clip. Okay. Install this back. Oops. Alright guys, I'm not hurting the connector right there. So we're good here. Wrong way. Alright, so plug this back, then install all of this. Where's the other one? It's right here. Is that right? Yeah. We got 2 more on the other side. Alright, so line this up. Okay, we might need to force this one a little harder. Okay, here we go. Oops. The heck? Ruined my jeans. Okay. Put this in. All right. Yeah, we don't need this guy. All right, so plug this back. Put this in. Make sure it works. Is this one gonna go first? I think so. And oops. I don't like that. Why is he doing that? There you go. Sweet. There we go, guys. This is how your anti-theft recall is done. So what do you guys think? Is this gonna be the solution? I think so. This one's pretty secure now. Yep. Thank you guys for watching.